Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, I got a little bit of a different kind of video here. This is still a Macau video, but it's going to be an eating video, and I'm going to be with Iz. Alright, I'm in Macau and I'm with Iz.
What's up, everyone?
And he's going to take us and show us this restaurant right back here.
One of my favorite noodle shops in all of Macau.
Let's do it. And you probably want to know, where is this? Well, I'll tell you. I'll put the sign behind me and the map. So now you can see exactly where it is on the map. So it's kind of in the water, not too far from the waterfront and the inner harbor. Nonetheless, what I'm going to be doing is showing you. So we're going to go into the restaurant, and you can see the images behind me, of course. And it's kind of crowded, actually. I was really surprised. So for one, Iz was telling me this is one of his favorite restaurants in Macau, one of the best noodle shops, probably one of the top 3 in the whole city. And one of his personal favorites, so he was really eager to share it with me, and I was really impressed myself. I really thought it was a great restaurant.
So let me show you guys why these are my favorite noodles in Macau. All right, so you have a couple things. You got the fat noodles and soy sauce, you got the fish cake, and this right here is the most amazing thing. It's the pork fat that's been fried, but they have a variety of different dishes that are really, really incredible. And I think Kevin's gonna show some of the dishes that we just ate. Mine was phenomenal. I don't know about Kevin's, but
yeah, it was good. Very good noodles, very good broth.
Yeah. So will you come back, Kevin? Try the other stuff?
Yeah, I'll definitely come back. Yeah.
All right. Let me know when you're coming back. I'll come with you.
Okay. Sounds like a good plan.
All right. Cool.
I also have a picture of the menu behind me as well, but unfortunately I didn't turn it over, so that's actually only half of the menu. There's another half as well. And Iz ordered some food, so you can see some of his behind me. And I also ordered my noodles as well. So so you can see a little sample of what they look like.
Fish cake, pork chop, noodles. Perfect. Oh, and dude, check this out. You know what this is? It's pork fat.
Oh, okay.
So good. It's crispy, salty, delicious. Yeah.
If you like this style of video, I'm going to try to do a little bit more. Usually I do my traditional Macau style where I explore streets, but I'll maybe throw in something a little bit different once in a while as well. And this is going to be one of those. All
right, let's go do something else.
Anyways, Macau.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.